Oh my god! It's spinning! Wait, it's actually very effective. Hi everyone, this is Roan, and we have another Lazada package from the bounce back sale of July 15. So, we are here to unbox this together. So, let's get on with it. Let's just rip this open, you know. Oh god. Here we go. I've successfully penetrated the package. Open it here, and okay. First thing I see, bubble wrap. That's a good sign. You see the bubble wrap? It's a good sign. That's very good now. So let's pull it out, everything out. Wait. I'm gonna make a bigger tear in it. So we can, oh, there we go. And voila! Oh wait, no, something fell. Oh, this is what I bought. This is a, let's go with this first. This is a mini USB fan. I'm gonna read the instructions. So, using graphic, assemble the fan, insert the USB interface into the mobile power supply. Wait, okay, that's it basically. It's just a USB type of thing for your phone. It's a fan. So actually, I'm gonna try and do this right now. Let's open it. Oh wait, this is a top. Okay. So I got green because I remember that this is a you get what kind of color you. It's just random color when you get it. So let's get it over here. And ooh, there's the fan. You're supposed to like put this in here, right? Okay. It's just supposed to spin. And I'm gonna put this on my phone. This is my phone. I'm just gonna plug it. Oh my god, I'm kind of scared. You're just gonna plug it in apparently. Oh my god. It's spinning. Wait, it's actually very effective. Now that I think of it. Is it sharp? Bit. But it's very effective. Look at my hair. It's doing good. And then I guess you just have to unplug it like this and make it stop. So, this is a good one. I like it. It's very good, and that one's mine. So next is the big bubble wrap package. Pull this. Oh no. Oh no. Let's pull this out first. Maraming pinagdaanan po yung box na to. So, and ooh, the one thing I like is the holographic. See, look, it's different colors. It's cute. I like it. But the box, I cannot get over that. But hey, it's still a cable. Oh. Turns out I won't be able to test this on my phone because this is an 8-pin cable. This is the micro USB cable. You see that? Wait, it's unclear. But still, this is the micro USB one. And this apparently is for like something like iPad, something like Apple. But hey, it's cool. It's, let me read the very squashed box. It's just Classic Series Lightning Cable, Data Sync, and Quick Charging, 100 cm. Oh, it's 100 cm? Oh. Bit short from my perspective. But it's okay, it's pretty long, I guess. But it's not 1 meter. It's just like that. So, fortunately, we won't be able to test this. Maybe later. But here, we'll set it aside for now, along with the fan thing, which worked very well. I am happy with it. And our last purchase. Romoss Aries 10 Powerbank. Here we go. Easy to fit LED display. It has the LED display thing at the top. You see that? That stuff. And I am very excited to open this because this is actually my first power bank. And it's 10,000 mAh? 10,000 mAh? Here we go. Let's open it. Because it's in a piece of plastic. It's in a plastic bag. Okay, so here we go. This is It's actually very heavy. Not really heavy, but the box. You can hear it. Okay, so it's like Romoss. This is the front of the box. This is the back. It's basically full of instructions. So like the power button and then that stuff. Yeah, and basically everything you need to know. What YouTube says. These are the stats for nerds. And let's open this up. Oh my god. Short fingernails. Do not fail me now because I really need my fingernails. Okay. Little Romoss seal thing. Yeet that over here. I just noticed the lightning cable box is holographic at the side, holographic here. It has holographic stuff with the QR code something? I don't know what this is for, but oh, you're supposed to. Oh wait, no, you're not supposed to. No. It said scratch, so I'm just not going to scratch it. So we just have, here it is. Gonna open this bad boy. And, ooh. What is it? It's heavy. Oh my god, box. I might eventually rip the box open. So, but here we go. We've got it. And it's a box in a box. There's another box in it. Pull it open for y'all to see. Okay. So the opening is like here. And I'm gonna get my phone. I'm gonna let you have the first view of the thing. And whoa, the first thing I see is just this. So it has this stuff in it. It's in another piece of plastic, but I don't mind, I guess. And oh, is this the charging cable it comes with? Because okay, I'm okay with it because this is my phone charger and this is the charger. They're exactly the same, my guys. They're exactly the same. They have the lumps in the back like that. So, but in size, he comes a bit short to my phone cable. Like, wait, let's do this. It comes short. It's a bit short. I'll show you. It's like there's just this short. Now we have this. Oh, this is the actual thing, and I'm like, wow, it's actually very compact. I like it. A little pamphlet, and let's do this. This is just the back of the pamphlet. This is the front. Oh, this dude. Let me read it. This is the Aries 10 welcome guide. Shimmer. Oh yeah, and then this is the one with the LED. What do you call it? Wait, let me check the box. It has the LED display. I'm sure of it. So let's open this. Oh wait, no, I think you're supposed to rip. Oh wait, no, it's fine. And I'm like, whoa! In my hands, size comparison to my hand. It's quite small. It's compact. I mean, look, this is my phone, and this is the. Yeah, it's actually very nice. I like it. It's cool. And I guess we're gonna open it because this thing has factory charge. Wait a minute. Why does the LED... Wait, let me just clean the LED display first. Okay, here we go. I guess we are... Oh wait, no, this is the glass, basically. Or is this... Oh. Actually, I am not gonna take off this glossy thing just because I don't want it to be dirty just yet. So let's just open it. The power button is here at the side. I think... Oh, see, it's 58. I know this might look an 82, but it's 58. Factory charge. So let's see if this thing actually does work. So I have my personal charger over here. We just have to put it in. Sweet. So this top thing over here is just the normal charging rate. This one is like double speed. That's why there are two. If you look very closely, there are like ones over here. These are 2 lightning bolts and 1 lightning bolt at the top. Let's go for the top because I don't want to use this as quick. So my phone, and there we go. It's charging. 84%. If you don't see it, it's 84% charging. And yes, my wallpaper. This is my wallpaper. I'm not ashamed of it. But hey, it's charging very well. And I basically can say this works. So, there, it just became 57%. But overall, yeah, this is it. I like it. I am satisfied with my purchase because they did say it was compact. And according to my hand size, it is compact. So basically, that is it. This is the power bank. This is my first purchase. This is my second purchase. This is mine. It's the little fan. It's cute. I can use this. This charger over here. This is for like iPads, like iPhones. Actually, let me pause the video and I'm going to go and take a device that I can charge using this. Here we go. And here we are. I have an iPad over here. This is my iPad. Gravity Falls. I can see myself. Seriously though, this is it. Open it again, 57 charge, that's fine. Wait. Do you think I can use the fan with this? I wonder if I can. Let's just test this out first. Oh, it doesn't. It doesn't. Is the other... Do I put it in the other one? No. Doesn't fit. No, it just doesn't. This thing doesn't work with a power bank. I should tell you guys it doesn't. But, enough of the fan. We're gonna get you a side over here. Now, we're gonna use this charger and my power bank. That's actually a good idea. But, put it in. So, I plugged it in. It's in. It's actually a bit hard to plug sometimes. So, here we are. And yeah, it's charging basically. Can you see it? It's like charging. Oh wait, no you can't. It turned off. But yeah, it's charging 73%. So yeah, basically that's it. That's all of it. I'm only charging it for a bit. I'm unplugging this. This is actually very hard to unplug sometimes, now that I think of it. So here we go. It's just, that's it. Unplug this from it, and yeah, set the iPad aside, all of my other gadgets. So this, I'd rate this a 7 out of 10. I know that's new, but hey, let's do some ratings. This, I rated a 7 out of 10. The power bank, I like the size. I mean, it comes with factory charge, so I can just charge this later. I would vote this a 10 out of 10 because it's like the size, and I expect a lot from you, Aries 10. But it's nice. I like it. 10 out of 10. And this, actually wait, this, I'm gonna give this an 8 or a 9. 8.5. Because it doesn't support the fan. The fan, I'm gonna give it a 9 because it works so well. On my phone, it works well. And I'm just gonna plug it in again. See, it just instant. So basically this is it. Is it noisy? I'm not sure. It's not that noisy actually. It's not actually that noisy. But hey, it's cool. This is a 9. I'm just disappointed that this doesn't work on a power bank. I guess this just works on a phone. So if you have one of these and it doesn't work on the power bank, maybe you can just use the power bank to charge. Oh wait, no. Then we won't be able to do that. So I guess you can just use this on the phone. But overall, I'm satisfied. 9 out of 10. So no perfect ratings today, but nothing is even perfect. But that just concludes our review. Yeah, that concludes our review. I hope you like this video. I hope it helped you a lot. And yeah, I guess I'll see you in the next review when I order another Lazada package, and that's it. Bye!